good to be back out in the woods after a while. Me and John just decided to do a spontaneous camping trip. We just got our stuff, went and bought some hamburger buns, some meat, and jumped in the car, filled it up, and here we are. So enjoy this video. It's going to be a rainy, adventurous, delicious camping trip. So alright, enjoy guys. So John thought he would show me his phone.
Plug it in.
He's like, you like my phone?
Hello?
He plugs that in.
No.
I just saw glowing lights. That means there's something down there. Nah, bro, there's two green eyes down there. Yeah. Let's go film it. It's pretty creepy. Dang, John. First thing you want to do when making a fire, make sure there's like somewhat of a clearing at least. Branches are green, they should not catch fire, but better to make sure. And second thing that I love to do personally is build a strong base out of dry wood. That way when you start building your fire, you have like wood that can turn into like hot coals, and that'll keep your fire going even if your wood is a little bit dry or something like that. So that's what I love to do first. And then we put our kindling right here, just like that. We're gonna use the jet boil to start the fire because I don't have time for games today. Suck it in half. Alright. And you just work your way up. Bigger sticks. So we have a rain break for about 3 hours, and it should start to pick up around 1 in the morning. So we're gonna go ahead and cook our food before the rain starts. And once we have a fire going, the rain doesn't bother at all. I personally like to come out when it's raining because, first of all, nobody's gonna be out here because the weather isn't great, in their opinion. But I love it, so that's why we're here. Okay, so once it dies down, we can pull up the grill and start cooking, but for now, I think we should go cut up the onions, tomatoes, and just kind of get like everything ready. Okay, let's do it. Okay, everything's pretty much ready to go.
This blade is so small I can't even make a clean circle. This is bad.
Keep going.
This is so great. Bad. Okay.
Gonna make Mama
this
proud.
This is like a what, 2.5 inch knife?
Don't complain, just make Mama proud.
Okay. Mama, this is for you.
Oh yeah, we're back in business. So the trick with making super good hamburgers, use this sauce right here. When your hamburgers are almost done, you just put this on, and you gotta like be generous, put a lot. And that really adds to the flavor of the meat. Very nice. So the meat is literally almost done, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start putting the sauce on here. Just like that, spread it around, make sure it's a generous amount. Flip it over, kind of do the same thing. And it like pretty much gets warm and absolutely delicious. Another trick is, while you're cooking, keep the fire going on the side, just like that, and that way whenever you're done cooking, you still have a fire going. You don't have to, like, you know, blow to get another fire going from the coals. So, cool little trick. All right, we gotta, you know, the vibes.
Yeah.
Damn, we ate like all the leaves.
God
Save any for the rabbit.
His only Son to save us. He died.
All right, well, we're gonna go enjoy. Adios. All right, John, dig in. Honor's all mine. Don't be dripping in the cabin when some cougar's gonna come trying to lick that off. Good? Nice. All right, I'm gonna enjoy this other one.
The Bible says the one who loves his life will lose it,
Oh man.
and the one who hates his life in this world will keep it for eternal life. If anyone serves me, he must follow me. Where I am, there my servant also will be. If anyone serves me, the Father will honor him. I serve a Savior. It's what I was made for.
Oh, weird, but okay. Did I just hear a little bit of an accent back there? A little bit. All right, mate, that's fine. So these right here, they're called salal berries. And the way you can identify them, one of the ways is these leaves, they're super like tough. And if you throw them in the fire, they crackle, which I'll show you right now. But the point is, these berries are ripe. And to be honest, the best tea that you can make, which I found, is from these berries. So you just pick them like this, throw them into a pot, let it boil. Makes the sweetest tea you'll ever have, in my opinion, like out of whatever grows around here. So yeah, we're gonna do that and let John try it. If you want. So I'm gonna demonstrate how the salal berry leaves crackle. So water's boiling. I'm just gonna go ahead and drop these salal berries in here to the boiling water. And then I'm just gonna boil it for another 5 to 7 minutes.
You talk to the Lord when all goes well. Pray for me. When all goes well, pray for me. Pray for me.
Amen. So cookies are cooking in our homemade tinfoil ovens. It's actually working really good, as you can see. Ow! Ooh, that's hot, man. But look how crisp they are, guys. Oh yeah. Thanks to Dan for the cookies as well. So chocolate chip cookies are ready. And we got some tea made from salal berries. It's so dark because that's just pure concentrate right there. So we're just gonna go ahead, enjoy these, and head in for the night. I'll see you guys in the morning. Alright, so we just woke up. It's about 10 o'clock. Conditions have completely changed. It is now raining. It's foggy, but beautiful. Let me go show you guys behind the cabin. Haven't seen the fog for the whole summer. First time, but it's nice. So we're gonna go get the food bag right now. We hung it up in a tree overnight so that no bear or anything would come to the cabin. And now we have to go retrieve it. About 0.2 miles away. Just followed the edge of the cliff, and looks like our food is intact. And we got our breakfast. So Dan, my brother, hooked us up with some kokanee that he smoked, and John is trying it for the first time.
Just hits the spot.
So we started out making eggs for breakfast, And I got this idea to pour this barbecue sauce into this ground meat. Literally, what we have now is a sloppy Joe. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this in, kind of break up the meat a little bit more, and melt the barbecue sauce. And it's gonna be absolutely sloppy. Guys, every time I see this, it just gets better and better.
What, Joe? Look at that.
Would Joe look at that?
Definitely look at that.
I think Joe would. Joe, you're missing out, man. Rick, you're missing out too. Every time. But Rick from Virginia always watches and comments every time. I actually want to make some more tea, so before I do that, I thought I'd show you guys these berries, what they look like in the daylight. Hold on.
What?
I gotta make a quick call.
I think this one will work.
Think so?
Yeah.
Hold on. Don't forget to dial. Forgot to dial. Oh, I gotta see. Hey, Ma. Yeah. I'll be home in half an hour. Yeah. I'll drive safe. Alright, bye. Sick. Yeah, dude. These trees are legends. If anyone knows what this is, let me know, because that thing is weird.